If you have an above ground pool and you never have a great place to put your drink, your sunglasses, or maybe even hang your towel, I've got a couple solutions for you. We have this fantastic above ground pool and we spend so much time in it, but one of the things that's most enjoyable is having access to a place to put your drinks, your phone, your sunglasses. And these two service options are fantastic. Now, this one right here and right here comes in a set of two, and it's actually pretty cool. Now, it has some really nice features that I'm going to show you. It is a two-piece basket. Now, this part here will come off just by shifting it like this and pulling it off. It has a really nice little keyhole feature right there where you just put it in and then clip it on, and then your basket is really nice and secure. And the cool thing about this is that you can actually put the basket on this side or you can put it on this side because it has the holes. The other option are these really neat little hooks. So you can hook things like your phone holder, your towels, maybe your sunglasses holder, anything else like that. And it has a really nice little feature here. So this is the hook that goes over the side of your pool. And then right here is this little support that you can adjust simply by rotating it. And then what it's going to do is it's going to support your basket and keep things nice and sturdy and level. The thing that's pretty cool about this little basket is that you have this nice one big basket here, but then you have this one here that's sectioned. So the sections mean that it'll do a really great job of holding your water bottle or maybe supporting your cell phone, which I think is a wonderful idea. I love that it has all these little compartments for things like that. The other great thing is that it comes in a set of two. You don't just have one, you have two. You can put it on different sides of the pool. You can put it on your corner. You can shift it around. I love the flexibility of a product like that. Now the second one here I want to show you is also pretty awesome. Instead of it being a basket style, it's actually like a poolside bar table, which is also pretty fantastic. It has two little cup holders here, and there are drains so that it doesn't catch water, which is what we don't want. It has a really nice non-slip surface here. When this one comes, it comes in a box, and you do have to do a little bit of assembly, but don't worry, I actually have a video that I uploaded that shows you exactly how to put together. The assembly for it is really easy. It also just attaches to the pool on a set of hooks like this, and I'm going to show you a couple things about it. Now you can see that this is a three-parter. There's 1, 2, and 3, and all you have to do is attach a couple screws here and here to attach the 3 parts. That's about all the assembly that's required, aside from attaching these hooks here with screws. And then this is a separate piece. This here turns the crank like this, so that you can adjust the support on the side to keep the bar level. And then when you need to move it, you just have to depress that lever, and then you can push this in. Just put that in like that and push it. You can see that it goes in. There also is a little strap here in case you want to attach it to one of the pool legs, but you don't have to. It also works really well if it isn't connected. Now what I love about this is that I can customize the location of this to where I want it. I love the convenience of having this right here. Really easy to adjust it just like this, so that you get exactly the function you want with nice solid support. You can make it level so things don't roll off. This is absolutely an awesome little bar side table. Put so many things on it, and I can show you here. It's really just a really nice level space. A couple other things about this really nice, neat little basket here. You can also add or remove these hooks if you like them. Another pretty cool thing about this is they do have the drainage holes on the bottom, which means that water does not collect in here, making it a mosquito haven. And I think that's pretty cool too. If you're looking for options to upgrade your above ground pool, this poolside bar and these great little tables are definitely an excellent addition to your collection. I love how they are customizable for your pool. I love how they drain. I love how I can move them around and switch the baskets. And at my house, they're definitely a family favorite.
Check out the link in the description below to buy what you've just seen. Scan the QR code to move on over to my Amazon storefront, where you will find carefully curated lists of all my family's favorites. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got a question about this product, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching.